In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Valorant corrupt data found. Please verify your installation. Now the first thing that I suggest you do is you open up Valorant here with right click and go to properties. Go to compatibility and check these two boxes. If they were already checked when you got the error, try and uncheck them, apply, and then recheck them, apply. After that, you want to search for temp files and go to the delete temporary files. It's going to look like this. In here, just choose temporary files. And then what we want to do is we want to delete everything except for our downloads. You can also keep the recycle bin if you want, but make sure downloads is not checked, but delete everything else. After you've done that, try and restart your PC and see if that works. If it still doesn't work for some reason, the only solution that I know of is to reinstall your game. So come here and search for apps and features, search for Valorant, click here, uninstall, and then open up your right client and reinstall it from in there. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.